So let's assume we have a couple of 59-year-olds and they're in the 24% marginal tax bracket and they're both going to retire at year end. And so they defer $50,000 this year. Again, just a nice round number. At 24%, that would save them $12,000 in income tax this year. And then they're going to retire at the end of the year. So we're just going to completely ignore any investment growth and ignore inflation. We're going to assume the tax rates are the same next year. So at 60, with all else equal, they would have $31,500 of a standard deduction. So they wouldn't pay any tax. And then they'd have another $18,500 at 10%. So they'd pay $1,850. And so they're shifting their income to much lower tax rates and saving a substantial amount in tax by using this tax deferral. And again, that may not seem super realistic because, again, we're talking about just 1 year and we're ignoring a lot of things. But remember, it also could be too conservative because if we're talking about waiting until you're 65, you have much bigger standard deductions. So even if this exact thing doesn't describe your situation, the principles of that you can shift your money and pay taxes at much lower rates absolutely is real and is a strategy to consider.